This GreenPan Valencia Pro Hard Anodized Healthy Ceramic Nonstick 22-piece cookware pots and pans set aims to be a kitchen helper. It includes many tools. You get fry pans for your omelets. There are also saucepans and a stockpot. A grill pan and griddle are included, and they add cooking pleasure. Lids are part of the set, and they help with cooking. The GreenPan Valencia Pro Hard Anodized Healthy set boasts a ceramic nonstick surface. This means food should slide off easily. Cleaning should not be a problem. The coating is also PFAS-free. This might ease your concern about harmful chemicals. The hard anodized material makes the pans strong. They should resist scratches. This set works on all stovetops, including induction. It is also dishwasher and oven safe. Using the GreenPan Valencia Pro Hard Anodized Healthy Cookware should be easy. The handles are designed to stay cool. This helps protect your wrist. Viewing your food through the lids is simple. This GreenPan Valencia Pro Hard Anodized Healthy set tries to solve cooking problems. It offers a variety of pans for different tasks. While I don't have a date to confirm long-term use, the initial impression is good. You might need a soft towel for cleaning to keep them looking new. Pros: healthy ceramic nonstick, PFAS-free, induction safe, dishwasher safe, oven safe, lots of pieces. 22. Fry pan included, grill pan included, griddle included, sauté pan included, saucepans included, stockpot included, lids included, hard anodized, gray color. Cons: not very durable for some users, finish can chip easily, can be expensive, lids may not be high quality, bottoms can be slightly concave, may not be truly non-toxic, per some reports. Not recommended for very high heat, cooking sprays not advised. Features: 22-piece set, non-stick coating, healthy, PFAS-free, hard anodized, induction ready, dishwasher safe, oven safe to 600 degrees F, metal utensil safe, durable lids, comfortable handles. This GreenPan Valencia Pro 22-piece cookware set has a non-stick coating that is healthy because it is made without PFAS. The pots and pans are made with hard anodized material and can be used on induction stovetops. They can also go in the dishwasher for easy cleaning and in the oven up to 600 degrees F. You can even use metal utensils on them. And they come with durable lids and comfortable handles. The GreenPan Valencia Pro 22-piece cookware set offers a healthy, PFAS-free ceramic nonstick surface and is designed for induction cooktops. This gray, hard anodized aluminum set includes a variety of fry, grill, griddle, sauté, and sauce pans, along with a stockpot and lids, providing a comprehensive collection for many cooking tasks. It's also advertised as dishwasher and oven safe for convenience. However, some users have reported that the finish can chip easily and may not be very durable over time. Additionally, there are mentions of potential quality issues with the lids, slightly concave bottoms on some pieces, and that it might not withstand very high heat. It's also advised not to use cooking sprays with this cookware. While convenient with its many pieces and easy cleaning, potential buyers should weigh these drawbacks against the benefits.